What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sasquatch Performance Garage. Today we are going to do some autocrossing. I just pulled in the parking lot and we're running the BS class in the 2017 GT350. Since the GT350 is pretty much stock, other than that resin area delete, we qualify for the BS class along with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Being 300 tread wear rating, we're allowed to be in the BS class. We're gonna get them packed, go register, go to tech, and my parents are gonna meet me up here. Actually, they want to take a little ride in the GT350 while we're doing some autocrossing. We get 5 runs around the track. I did look at the track map last night. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty fast track as far as speed wise, also kind of short. So a lot of just, you know, some slaloms and some sweepers. Nothing super tight. There are some turns that look like they might be tricky, so we'll see how it goes. I'll take you guys along for the ride.
Movement.
Okay. Well, everybody, on the track, about to do my work today. Gonna get this video done before they start rolling, otherwise we get in trouble. So, I'll see you guys a little bit later, but this is what we're doing on the track on corner 1. Everybody, finished out the day of racing and watching and working. We're gonna go ahead and pack up, go home. Been a hot day out here. Thanks for watching Sasquatch Performance Garage. I will see you guys later.